Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Down at Ducati Chelmsford, some bikes have turned up that have got to be unboxed, and I know that one of them is the new Monster 950 Plus. So here it is in the box. So let's get this out and have a look. I'm really looking forward to this bike actually. I don't know if you've seen my video before on the Supersport 950. If you didn't, check that out. It is a really good engine, so really looking forward to riding it with like a naked bike like the new Monster. Well, let's do it. Matt getting this out today. He loves it.
Yep, the 937 Plus Dark.
See that in there? Ooh. Suits you, sir.
I can't wait to ride this.
I think it's going to be better than the other Monsters.
Talking to the fellas at Ducati the other day, and the press and whatnot, it's meant to be real good.
We've got that guy today. When would that be ready, that demo? I said, when I finish putting miles on it. When how many miles you got to put on it? I said, when I finish wanting to ride it. What happened with that geezer with the RS250 then? He's got one but he don't want to sell it.
Don't want to sell it yet.
Oh right. Wouldn't that be the coolest bike?
Yeah, it will be the coolest bike. Why is it when Paul does this, it looks like it's in slow motion? Yeah, but it is.
You know, I was thinking last night. I was thinking it would be fucking cool to have a V4 SP.
And then a V4 SP flashed up, I was like, we could get a V4 SP. And he was up. Fuck, that would be such a cool bike. Carbon wheels, the lot. It is the perfect track bike.
Hold on, let's have a look at this.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh, I like that.
See, I won't show on the headlight, on the photos and that, but have a look at that in the flesh. How good's that look?
It's nice. Oh, and that little bit, look.
Beautiful bike.
Monster in there.
That is cool. Right, let's get it done. Let's go and ride it.
Yeah. Where's the seat?
That's an optional extra.
I think we better open the box and see.
Well, even still, it looks cool.
They've got to be in here. And that's a bigger box than normal. Yes.
Yeah, there they are.
Beautiful. You know what I did notice? When I do this, this is not really Project Moto hands.
Your new best bike.
Right, so that's the bike out of the crate. Does look nice. Let's get all the bits on it and look at it properly. Yes, we ready for this?
Well, we've been ready for it for a while.
Yeah, let's get it done.
I think I might have a stroll down to Morrison's. Does anybody want anything?
All I want is you to tell me how many people at Morrison's, because I've got to get a watch battery fitted, and I think Saturday's probably not the best day.
What, you think there's a big queue for watch batteries?
Will be.
That was a proper old man statement, that was.
Yeah, I don't know if I should go to Morrison's, it's watch and battery fitting day.
Yeah, because that's something my granddad did say.
Right, well you can all fuck off. Would he say that?
Right, let's do this. So we have got 2 seats.
Let's do the battery first.
Yeah, get battery on.
Breathe in.
What's that?
Shall we answer it?
Yeah, just go, hello.
Restaurant. Hello.
Yeah, hello. You know what I like? I quite like these pipes on here as well. They look quite sportive.
I'm so hungry now.
Oh yeah? You already eaten? You, I see you eating a poxy roll.
The poxy roll was earlier.
Oh.
Much earlier.
What did you have in that? Sausage and egg?
A poxy sausage and egg.
What do you want to eat now then?
Shall we have tea? Fuck it, let's have tea.
We ain't had no tea yet.
We have no tea.
Yeah,
I'll
I'm
make a
for
drink, yeah.
we ain't had a tea yet. What's the
We
time?
haven't had a tea.
It's 12 o'clock.
And have you got the key?
Have I got the key?
Well, I haven't got the key.
I've got the key. You got the secret. Look at that light. I like that headlight. Look, come and have a look.
Mirrors first.
They look like I'm going to see me elbows. What are you doing tomorrow?
And hopefully go out for a ride on the H2.
What, run it in?
Run it, get it ready for you. What are you doing?
We'll watch MotoGP.
How's Rossi doing?
Don't ask.
Lucy.
Oh, look, Lucy's here. Look what we've got today.
There you go, guys.
Thanks.
Look at that.
Enjoy.
I've got me bacon and cheese. He's got his cheese and tomato. Oh, it's nice and soft and warm as well.
That's just how I like it.
Mirrors are on, bar ends are on. Seat cowls on. That's a funny thing though, isn't it? Cutting paper templates out. Cut that bit out. I feel like I'm in school cutting all this out.
Yeah.
Sod it. I'm going to put it there. That's a little Ducati badge. Beautiful. That will go behind there. Lovely. How's that?
Perfect.
Is this all the last bit we've got to put on?
Yeah, no, that's it.
Looks nice with that seat and that on it.
Just drop it.
Let's take it out. Well, you can do. I'm filming you. Let's just take it outside and have a look. That looks nice. Looks really nice. Let's have a look at the headlight again.
Yeah.
You know what they're going to do for all this?
Yeah.
Carbon, ain't they? Carbon covers.
Yeah.
That you can get probably that carbon. This in carbon. These probably covers in carbon. You see them really there? Look at them. And the back are the same.
See, they've cut away the stickers. And that end, the R, the M and the R.
Quite nice, don't it?
Fit that in, it's not bad at all.
Right, so here it is, out the crate, all built. This is the Plus model, so with that you do get the seat cowl and you get the little fairing, which you do have to build. You even have to stick the little Ducati badge on. There's some really nice bits on this bike. Like I say, the indicators, like the pulse ones, you get that on the rear as well. This will look really nice with a tail tidy on it. It actually looks a lot better in the flesh than what I see in sort of the press things, releases and that. It's like a mini Street Fighter or something. I think it's going to be awesome with that 950 engine in it. In fact, let's get another monster. Let's get like the 821 out here and put it next to it and see the difference. Right, so here they are side by side. I put the Monster 821 there, which is a really nice bike. I actually like this in the Black Stealth quite a lot. And this is a new Monster, the 950. It's quite a lot sportier looking and sort of meaner looking, if you know what I mean. If you look at that. And then look at that. Just looks a bit sharper. Some people are going to like the trestle frame more. I actually quite like the look of the side of this. Be nice when there's some carbon bits on it. From the back, it's obviously quite sharper again. From the front, the old Monster looks quite fatter and it looks heavier. I really like them exhausts as well, like that, compared to like the old standard cans. You know, everything on it just looks lighter. Well, so that's the new Monster 950 out of the crate, and having a quick look at it. It does look really nice. It looks sporty. Looks like a mini sort of Street Fighter, you know. It's got that more kind of, I don't know, compact, meaner, sharper kind of look about it than the old Monsters. I know there's some Monster purists out there that really like the trestle frame and just the way the Monster is, but for me, you can't really go forward without changing certain things, you know, and that's happened on the Multistrada as well. Without sort of drastic changes, they can't really kind of improve it, and I'm hoping, and I think it is going to be a good bike to ride. Like if you didn't see the video on the Supersport, that engine's really good for the road in that, and that's what's in this now. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to riding this bike, but that will be for the next video. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Is this your new little thing?
It's got everything on it.
Yeah? Tell me about it. How's it drive?
Pushes well.
Do a review on the...
It's got a charger.
Hold on, have you got a printer on the bottom of that as well?
It's got a printer, it's got a charger, it's got a fuel can, sucking out fuel and putting it back in.
Oh, let's have a look. Hold on, there's a charger, battery charger.
Yeah.
You got your little laptop on there.
There's a tray.
There's a tray.
At the bottom,
yeah,
there's some vodka and gin.
Alright, nice.
The top there's biscuits.
Oh. And then
cheese.
You've got your fuel pump to pump fuel in or out.
Just there.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. The only thing is, if there was a problem and there was a small fire with this, we'd lose every bit of equipment we've got in one go. The only thing it hasn't put on here is a fire extinguisher.
And that's probably the main thing it needs. Electrical equipment and petrol.
And fuel, yeah.
Petrol.
Petrol.
What about your bike? Should we have a little look at that while we're waiting for this Monster?
Let's have a look.
Look at that. You're a lucky man, ain't you?
You getting that?
Hey, you are a lucky man. That is mint. I can't wait to ride that.
Really?
Yeah, I can't wait.
I'm sure it'd be fun for you to ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll run it in for you.
Okay.
I don't know why you don't let me run it in for you. It's easy then it's all done. I'll put some miles on it. I'll take it back to Romford.
Down the A12?
Yeah.
Yeah, it needs that, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, I ain't messing about going back roads. Do you think I'm never running by... I've blown up K1S's and stuff before and had to run them in.
That's what's worrying me.
Oh right.
The blowing up bit.